Hello, once again you're welcome to FTGFx Q&A session. Now we do this on every Saturday where we answer questions from our community members and other forex traders and also those who want to learn more about forex trading. Now we received a question from Hamish Ansari from Saudi Arabia. His question is, which forex trading platform is best for beginners? Now the answer from us, FTGFx, is a well-regulated forex trading platform is good because remember, the first impression for the beginner is going to affect his or her approach on how to participate in the forex trading market. If the beginner experiences bad customer service, bad withdrawals, etc., it will either discourage him or her. So first of all, before you even trade, it's not about the platform being good for a beginner or for a pro. It just has to be a very good platform because it's going to affect the way the trader sees the markets or approaches the markets. Now, the more importantly for beginners, they need to get a well-regulated forex trading platform so that they don't experience things that would even discourage them from trading or making good use of the forex trading market. If you want to learn more about forex trading, just contact us or send us a DM on Instagram, FTG_FX. Bye-bye.
She trying to give me 69.